Hooray for Birds by Lucy Cousins. Can you imagine, just for one day, you're a busy bird? Yes, a bird. Hooray! The sun is up, the sky is blue. Wake up and shout, cock-a-doodle-doo! Flap your wings and you can fly higher and higher, up, up in the sky. Hop, 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 peck, peck, peck. Now swim along and stretch up your neck. Say, hello, darling, then swoop like a starling. Swoop up and down, swoop round and round. Scratch the ground with your feet. Catch a fly with your beak. Stand very tall on just one leg. Say, cluck, cluck, and lay an egg. Catch a wiggly snake and stretch out your wings. Open your beak and sing, tra-la-la, tweet, 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 hum, 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 cheep, cheep, cheep. Waddle like a penguin in the snow. Run like an ostrich. Go, go, go! Show off your tail and puff out your chest. Then cuddle up close with Mama in your nest. What a busy bird you've been, the funniest one I've ever seen. You began the day, cock-a-doodle-doo. Now say goodnight, to-wit, to-woo, hoo-hoo. The end.